to figure out who I am and that nobody would ever know I'd left because you could replace me with a clone. Am I the clone?
Sorry, what?
Am I the clone? Did the real me choose to leave and I only think I chose to stay because that's what I need to think because I'm the replacement, Beth?
No.
Okay. But
Kojima just wants us to reconnect the fractured society and stop the Death Stranding. What are all these ghosts?
Those are the Death Stranding, Rick.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
Jeez, Rick, you know, we've been walking for a while, and I got this baby in a tube here.
Maybe it's some sort of crazy upgrade. Hold on, I've got an idea.
Hey, stop,
right,
stop!
It's not an upgrade. Let's eat it.
What? We can't eat it. It's a baby.
Morty, what if it makes us run faster or jump higher?
Okay, let's eat the baby.
Brought to you by Death Stranding, available now.
God, tomorrow's career day. I don't want to think about what I do when I get out of school. I know exactly what I want to do. I want to work in hospice. I want to comfort the people who are dying, who have no one else in their lives. The real lonely people. I'm going to look at their name tags and I'm going to say, I love you, followed by whatever it says on their name tag, over and over.
What the f***?
Hey, Morty, quick favor.
Cover me in gasoline and spiders? Fine, yeah, I'm in.
Wasn't my first pitch, but hey, not gonna waste this opportunity.
Did you get any of that? On the next all-new Rick and Morty.
What are you guys doing? Did you develop an app?
Rule number 1 in app development, son. Never follow the rules.
Except when the rule is tattooed on an alien's forehead, Dad! Take your app down!
What? I'm their hostage. Do they have weapons? No, but neither do I.
Take the app down!
I can't. I'm an intern.
Okay, well, who tells interns what to do?
Not you, that's for sure.
Catch a new episode next Sunday at 11:30. Only on Adult Swim. Check out the new Pocket Morty's avatars, like Wasp Morty, Shrimp Morty, Teddy Rick, and more. Get these and other show characters in-game when you download Pocket Morty's for free on iOS and Android now.
Did you get any of that?
Elena's